Hi friends, I'm Anita. Today I'm going to make the Mango Kulfi and the Kiwi Kulfi. Here are the ingredients for making. Today we are going to make Mango Kulfi and the Kiwi Kulfi. So I have taken 2 ripe mango, 2 different type of mangoes and 1 kiwi for that one. So 4 cup of milk. Then I have crushed 3/4 cup of pista and cashew nut. I have crushed already, and the sugar and the milk powder, and we need rose essence. So friends, now take a pan. So you need to boil the milk. On the hot pan, let it boil and evaporate for some time. Now milk is hot, so now you need to mix the milk powder. Mix the milk powder and mix it well. Now you need to boil the milk till it thicken. Now add the sugar in it. Keep stirring the milk constantly as it might stick to the bottle. So friends, I am going to add pista and cashew nut crust. 2 to 3 tablespoons and mix it well. Look, it's became thickened now. Now I am going to add some few drops of rose essence. Just little bit. And mix it well. Nice. Now we need to cool down the milk. So friends, now I am going to cut the slice, the top of the mangoes. Very careful. So it bit a difficult part of the recipe. You need to remove the seed from the mango. Look at the kiwi I have cut right there. It's very difficult to remove the middle part of the mango, but the kiwi is bit easier. So now look, kiwi is very easy to remove the middle part of the kiwi. So it's done, the kiwi. Take a knife and cut alongside and around the seed. Now using of this tongue, pull the seed out, or you can use, look at like this. Need to remove the seed on the mango. By using a tongue, look, from the another mango I remove the seed. All are set to fill the kulfi. Friends, here I have mangoes and kiwis have placed on a small bowl. There is a small bowl I have placed on which it can stand. Now I am going to fill the kulfi. in the kiwi. So you need to be very careful. And place on the bowl and the mangoes. And another mango. So it's done. Now I am going to cover the mangoes. And on the kiwi, another mango is done. You need to keep in the freeze till 6 to 7 hours or overnight to settle down the kulfi very well. Now friend, I am going to check the mango. So take up the mango top. This ice cream is ready. So now I am going to dip in water for little time. Immediately I need to remove. You should not keep the mango for long time. I am going to peel up the mango. Need to peel like this. Now friends, another mango and kiwi is also ready. So we are going to check. Remove the lid. There you go. Now I am going to peel up the kiwi. Now friends, I am going to cut the mango. Look at the texture of mango. So friends, mango kulfi and kiwi kulfi is ready. This is perfect recipe for summer.
Now mummy's mango kulfi and kiwi kulfi is ready.
So do you want to try the kulfi?